Go.
All right, so we're going to start with part 3, which is the doffer and cleaning off the workers. So we're going to clean off the doffer. And we pull back from this shield, and then when we advance, it will clear, and then we'll stop and we'll comb down some more. All right, and now we go back to the worker. All right,
Clear.
all right, run.
Stop.
And then go ahead and clean down all the workers. And back down to clean off the doffer. So you'd be able to see, if you go around to the other side, that everything above this shield is going to come and advance and be clean.
Clear.
Run.
Stop. I need one more rotation.
Yep.
Clear.
Run.
Stop.
So the Dopper is clean all the way around. The Swift, the workers, and the strippers are all clean. All right, so now we're gonna check the Fancy, and I'll show you what this brush is for. So what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that there's not a lot of fiber or any seed in the Fancy. And it looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and we'll just run the machine.